Welcome. In this video we are going to see about story editor. With the help of the story editor you can edit or write the text inside InDesign. It looks like a little word processor built in InDesign. In this page I want to edit this text frame. I select once and go to edit menu. Here I choose edit in story editor. The shortcut is Ctrl Y. I click on it. You can see this is the story editor. Now I expand the window. You can see this is neutral window. You cannot see any color or drop cap or other stylized items. You can see only italic or bold of the text. You can change the appearance of the story editor. Go to edit menu and choose preferences. In the submenu select story editor display. In this section you can set story editor font. I want to set Times New Roman and I want to increase the font size to 18. You can increase the line space. Now the line space is single. You can double it or triple it. I double it. You can change the text color. This only for the story editor display, not the document area. I leave the text color and background also. And now I move to cursor option. The cursor in the story editor window is very small and we can't see correctly. If you change to thick or black you want. Now I want to set to barbell and I click OK. You can see the cursor is changed. Also the font and the line space are changed. Now I want to remove unwanted line. Click once and select it. If you press delete key in the keyboard, the lines are deleted as soon as the text frame is updated in the background. Now I want to undo it once again. You can see the overset icon in the text frame. It's mean some lines are inside the text frame and we can't see the line in the document, but you can see in the story editor window the red line indicated the overset lines. Also the overset word is here. If you delete this line, now the overset red line is gone. Also the overset icon disappear in the text frame. Once again I want to undo the change, so Ctrl Z to undo it. If you select any line here and press Ctrl Y in the keyboard, now the selection is appeared in the document text frame. And I want to close this window right now. If I select this line and press Ctrl Y in the keyboard, instantly the story editor window opens with the selection and you can easily edit the text. You can easily read the text, edit, delete, copy or paste inside the story editor. It's very easy and neat. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next lesson.